Welcome to the top of Las Palmas, a stunning home in one of Medellin's most exclusive gated communities. Step out to a beautiful terrace made for entertaining. Surrounded by fresh air, nature, and tranquility. Just 25 minutes from the city, and only 35 minutes from the international airport. Top-rated schools and restaurants just around the corner. Modern design with a layout made for comfort and connection. 4 spacious bedrooms for the whole family. Plus a private gaming room for epic nights in. Enjoy every modern amenity right at your fingertips. Safe, serene, and beautifully designed for peaceful living. Perfect for families, professionals, or weekend escapes. Your new life in the mountains starts here.